I will explain the procedure.
Okay.
Okay.
Is it okay that you're included in my Instagram?
Oh, yeah, it's fantastic.
Okay.
You can do whatever you like.
Okay, so for tonight, we will have Filipino spaghetti. We will have cassava cake and the palamig, which is our drinks. So for the start, we will cook cassava first because it will be cooked for more than one hour. So we practice it at home and it is more than 1 hour. So first, for the cassava cake, we will preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit.
Done. It's done.
Done. Okay, done. Combine the evaporated milk and coconut milk. So these two will be combined and mixed. Then add the sugar and dissolve. And then once dissolved, we will add the 2 eggs. And then once combined and mixed, we will add the grated cassava. So we will mix this to all of this.
Was cassava a fruit?
It's a root crop.
Oh, it's a root crop.
Like
Okay.
a sweet potato, but this is like a brown outside, but yellow or white inside. Like yellow, white inside. So we have 2 kinds of butter. The first one is we will melt the butter and then brush again in here before we put the grated cassava mix. And then the other butter, we will only use 1/2 of this and then add to the mixed grated cassava and coconut milk and milk. And then we will put in the foil and then put in the oven for 1 hour. But we have to check after 45 minutes if it's cooked or not. And then up to 1 hour and 20 minutes. Check every 10 minutes. Okay, that's for the cassava cake. And then, while we are waiting for the cassava cake, we will cook the spaghetti. So, for the spaghetti, there are 2 ways of cooking spaghetti. So, my version is I fry the Filipino sausage, Filipino hotdog, first, and then remove, and then saute the onion, garlic, and then the ground beef, and then add the tomatoes, and then put back the hot dog, or you saute the hot dog after the onion, garlic, tomatoes, onion, garlic, ground beef, and Filipino hot dog. So it depends on you if you will fry it first and then remove, or saute it after the ground beef. And then after we sauteed everything, we will add the tomato sauce, the Filipino ketchup, the banana ketchup, and then oyster sauce. And then you can add also the American ketchup, which is Heinz or Heinz. And then that's it for the spaghetti. And then you can add, when I practice at home, I add the cheese already, but it is optional. And then for the pasta, this pasta will be cooked or al dente in after 11 minutes. So it's up to you if you will mix it with the sauce or put it in the plate and then put the sauce on the top.
As topping. Yeah.
So for the pasta, put the water into a boil. And then I saw in the Google or YouTube last 2 days ago, they put salt so that it will be tastier, this one. You don't need to add oil for this one. Okay. And then the last one is the